Good evening!
Good evening!
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
It's a pleasure to welcome each of you tonight. Seeing so many familiar faces.
She became a fully licensed real estate in February 2022. And consistently, when she started in realtor business, she is always in top 10 awardees in real estate business. And this person can be able to help you. And you guys, you know that there is something out there that even though we don't have enough savings, we can be able to avail to buy a house. And we know that this person here can be able to help you out to see where you are if you have a plan. And I am really sure that she can walk through with you in order to reach your goal. Now, ladies and gentlemen, because of her dedication, her journey from being a nanny to where she is right now has brought her this award. I know it will be happening to you also. I would like to ask everyone to stand up and let us give her a big round of applause. Our realtor, Nancy Kenneth.
Alright, it's a very cool introduction.